Looking for a lighting solution that's stylish, versatile, renter-friendly, and can be installed yourself? Here's Rejuvenation's guide to installing plug-in sconces. First, decide on sconce placement. For bedside lighting, we recommend placing sconces about 30 inches above your nightstand. Next, mark drill holes for the mounting plate. Use a stud finder to find the stud behind the wall to drill into, or use wall anchors instead. Once you've drilled the holes, screw the mounting plate into the wall. Lastly, attach the light fixture and tighten the set screws around the fixture to secure it to the wall. All that's left to do is screw in a light bulb and plug in your wall sconce. Rejuvenation's design experts recommend adding plug-in sconces wherever your space needs an extra layer of illumination. Head to rejuvenation.com for more information and to explore more wall sconce styles.